Automate table data extraction with Amazon Textract and Node.js, a comprehensive guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to Amazon Textract. Amazon Textract is a powerful machine learning service provided by AWS that automatically extracts text, handwriting, and data from scanned documents. Unlike traditional OCR, optical character recognition, solutions, Textract goes beyond simple text extraction to identify the contents of fields in forms and information stored in tables. This makes it an invaluable tool for businesses looking to digitize and automate their document processing workflows. Practical use case. Imagine a company receiving thousands of invoices and purchase orders in PDF format every month. Manually processing these documents to extract relevant data, such as dates, amounts, and line items, can be time-consuming and error-prone. By using Amazon Textract, the company can automate this process, significantly reducing manual effort and improving accuracy. This podcast will walk you through the steps to implement table data extraction using Amazon Textract in a Node.js application. Detailed implementation steps. Setting up your AWS account. Before using Amazon Textract, you need to set up an AWS account if you don't already have one. Here's a quick guide to get you started. Go to the AWS Management Console. Click on Create a new AWS account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once your account is set up, sign in to the AWS Management Console. AWS Configuration. After setting up your AWS account, you need to configure your AWS credentials. You can do this by installing the AWS CLI and running the AWS configure command. $AWS configure. You'll be prompted to enter your AWS access, key ID, secret access key, region, and output format. Your Node.js application will use these credentials to interact with AWS services. Command line application development. We'll build a command line application in Node.js that uses Amazon Textract to extract table data from documents. Let's start by creating a new Node.js project. $McDyer Textract app. $CD Textract app. $npm init y. Installing required packages. Next, install the required packages. $npm install AWS SDK FS. The AWS SDK package allows your Node.js application to interact with AWS services, and FS is a core Node.js module for working with a file system. Document scanning process. Now, create a script to scan a document and extract table data using Amazon Textract. Create a new file called index.js. Const AWS equals require AWS SDK. Const FS equals require FS. / configure AWS Textract. Const Textract equals new AWS Textract region, US West 2. / function to extract table data from document. Const extract table data equals async, file path, equals greater than. / read the document from the file system. Const document equals fs.read file sync file path. / convert document to base 64. Const document base 64 equals buffer dot from document to string base 64. / create parameters for Textract. Const params equals document, bytec, document. Feature types, tables, / call Textract. Try. Const response equals await Textract.analyze document params, promise. Console.log Textract response, JSON.stringify response, null, 2. Catch, error. Console.error, semicolon, / path to your document. Const document path equals ./path, /to /your /document.pdf. / extract table data from the document. Extract table data document path. Modifying your index.js file. To make our application more flexible, we can modify the index.js file to accept the document path as a command line argument. Const AWS equals require AWS SDK. Const FS equals require FS. / configure AWS Textract. Const Textract equals new AWS Textract region, US West 2. / function to extract table data from document. Const extract table data equals async, file path, equals greater than. / read the document from the file system. Const document equals fs.read file sync file path. / create parameters for Textract. Const params equals document, bytec, document. Feature types, tables, / call Textract. Try. Const response equals await Textract.analyze document params, promise. console.log textract response, json.stringify response, null, 2. Catch, error. Console.error, error. Semicolon? // get the document path from command line arguments. Const document path equals process.argf2. / extract table data from the document. Extract table data document path. Now, you can run your application from the command line and pass the document path as an argument. $nodeindex.js /path/to/your/document.pdf. Testing and validation. To test your implementation, use a sample document containing tables, run the application, and verify that the extracted table data is correct. Then, process the JSON response to extract specific data fields and integrate them into your workflow. Conclusion. Following this podcast, you've learned how to set up AWS Textract, configure your Node.js application, and extract table data from documents. This implementation can be expanded to handle different document formats, integrate with databases, and automate various aspects of document processing. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.